So how can you make professional reels on Instagram using the iPad? Let's get into it. So the most important part of the professional side of the reel is the quality of both the videos as well as the edits. So if you are using your iPad to record the videos, pay attention to the video quality. So I want you to ensure that you are recording at least 40K 30 FPS. If you want your reels to be professional, you don't want to be recording at a low resolution. So you can change that inside of the settings, camera, and then change the resolution of the video as well as the frame rate right there. But the second part, once you have the clips ready, is the video editing process. There are plenty of apps which may let you edit in a more professional ways than others. For example, a lot of people use iMovie to edit their videos on the iPad, but that one is very limited and it doesn't even allow you to edit and export vertical videos. So I recommend you to get the CapCut, the video editor, which for the most part is a free software, even though there are some paid premium features. But using such app, you have access to some great tools, right? So you can apply some filters, you can play with the professional looking transitions and effects like there, right? So you can remove the background of your clips. So you can layer things on the top of each other. You can add images, text, you can play with the keyframes and essentially make your video look much more professional by adding effects and filters and all of the things. And then one last thing before you export, take a look at the export settings because the video should also end up in a good quality. So you want to adjust the video export quality to 4K as we recorded it in 4K. And you can also just add like the AI feature to enhance it, or you can enable optical flow for a better quality. And if you apply all of these things, your reels will most definitely look a lot more professional than in comparison to using some kind of basic video editor. But yeah, that's going to be about it from me. Let me know what you think below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.